Hello students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today I am going to teach you adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives answer such questions as what kind, which one, how many. For example, her red hair got our attention. Tanya ate a lot of rice. That box is empty. Whose coat is this? Mr. Das is my English class teacher. In these sentences, the adjectives are red, a lot of, that, whose, and my. Adjectives can be used to describe color, example blue, red, green, brown, purple, yellow, black. Opinion, example good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. Size, example big, small, long, short. Age, example old, young. Shape, example round, triangle, rectangular, square, oval. Origin, example German, Malaysia. Material, example glass, metal. Distance, example long, short, near, far. Temperature, example cold, warm, hot, cool. Time, example late, early. Types of adjectives. First, qualitative or descriptive adjective. Quantitative adjective. Third one, demonstrative adjective. Fourth, possessive adjective. Fifth, interrogative adjective. Sixth, distributive adjective. Seventh, compound adjective. Qualitative or descriptive adjective. To describe the quality of a person or thing, for example, its size, general description that is physical, age, shape, color, material, origin, and purpose. Examples, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. The tall girl is my classmate. The students achieved excellent results. Quantitative adjectives to indicate the number or amount of things. Examples, some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. She found many pens under the table. There was no milk in the jug. There are 37 students in this class. Demonstrative adjectives to point out nouns. Examples, these, that, those. This is my friend, Dina. Those books belongs to her. Interrogative adjectives used with noun to ask questions. Examples, what, whose, where, why, how, and which. Whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? Possessive adjectives used to show possession. Examples, my, your, his, her, our, their, its. This is her hat. Their parents came to my house yesterday. Distributive adjectives to show that the persons or things are counted collectively, normally used with singular nouns. Refer to members of a group as individuals. Examples, each, every, either, and neither. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Compound adjective made up of two or more words, often linked together with hyphens to link the words together to show that it is one adjective. Examples, lightweight, duty-free, 4 foot, part-time, cold-blooded, well-behaved. We have to be open-minded about things. The lady is wearing a pair of high-heeled shoes. Comparison of adjectives. There are three forms of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Comparison with ER or EST. We use ER or EST with the following adjectives: positive, clean; comparative, cleaner, ER; Superlative, cleanest, EST. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. Comparison with more, most. Positive, difficult, comparative, more difficult, superlative, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Irregular adjectives. Positive, good, comparative, better, superlative, best. Bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, uncountable noun. Many, more, most, countable noun. Little, less, least. Little, smaller, smallest. Special adjectives. Some adjectives have two possible forms of comparison, ER/EST and more/most. Positive, clever, comparative, cleverer, more clever. Superlative, cleverest, most clever. Common, commoner, more common, commonest, most common. Likely, likelier, more likely, likeliest, most likely. Polite, politer, more polite, politest, most polite. Simple, simpler, more simple, simplest, most simple. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.